In the following commented documentation, I would like to introduce you to the German School Inspection BLI Bund-Länder-Inspektion that will take place at JES from February 24 to February 28, 2014. The table of contents provided here by the BVA shows the topics of the official presentation slides. The makers of the BLI would like to stress rather the chances that they see in the inspection. Even areas that might be considered as weaknesses are seen as a potential for quality improvement. As to the procedure, a team of 3 inspectors will be coming from Germany, 2 from the BVA, the central agency, and 1 from the state of Bavaria. After having reviewed our school documents, they will primarily conduct in-class observations and interviews with all different kinds of stakeholders. At the end of the inspection, on 28 February 2014, we will get a verbal feedback and hopefully the renewal of our seal of quality, Excellent German School Abroad. A few weeks later, we will also receive a written report. There's quite a bit of preparation to be done for the BLI. One element that we are currently conducting is the preparation of a quality report. All the documents we are putting together will be submitted to the BLI Commission by the mid of January. We are also supporting the BLI team by identifying the interview partners and setting up the organization. It is important to note that there will be no disruptions of the conduct of ordinary lessons during the time of the BLI visit. When we look at the actual conduct of the visit, the prime focus is on the in-class observations. These observations will take about 20 minutes each. It is not the intention of the inspectors to give individual feedback to teachers, but to understand what the general lesson profile of the school is. There will be also interviews, as mentioned before, with all different stakeholders, and there will be also the chance to review additional documents. And if deemed necessary, there will also be a school tour. Looking at the inspection tools, the key approach is that of triangulation. That means that the inspectors will ask the perspective of different stakeholders on one specific topic. The inspectors will also take the time to present to the school community their procedures on the very first day of the visit. And there will be the chance for the school to feedback on the whole process with a valuation format at the end. Regarding the feedback on the 28th of February by the BLI inspection team, this will be staggered. First, the Board of Governors and the school management is informed about the findings, then the faculty, and last but not least, the whole school community. And as said before, a written report will be sent to the school a few weeks later. After the BLI, the school gets the chance to analyze the results and can draw on the support of a process consultant or quality manager provided by the BVA. On the basis of the report and their analysis, the school will then create their action plan and objectives that they will discuss with the regional representative of the BVA. The inspection will hopefully end with us receiving the seal of quality signed by the President of the Federal Republic of Germany. This, of course, gives us recognition as a German school abroad and increases our external representation purposes and competitiveness. And after this BLI, the next will most likely take place in 2020. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you feel pretty well informed now about the BLI coming up to JES in February 2014.